I was gifted PetraMax Lockdown Sticky Mulch Glue, and I gotta tell you, this is some impressive glue. It is non-toxic, it's made in the USA, and it's gonna keep your mulch exactly where you want it to be. So let me show you how I put it to use. I've never been happy with this part of our backyard. It is impossible to keep mulch in place. When it rains, the dirt spatters on everything, and it just doesn't look good. But with this sticky mulch glue, I knew I had a chance to make it look right, so I set it up the way I wanted. I mixed the mulch glue as much as I could, and then I poured it in. It's just a half and half ratio, very easy to do, and then I sprayed it down. It's super, super obvious when you spray it, and ideally you're going to spray once, then mix it up a bit, and then pat it down and spray again. I didn't do that this first time as I wasn't sure how much I'd like it, but I really regret that I didn't do it as this is perfect. Now, here it is immediately when I was done. This is an hour later. You can already see it. The glue is drying and is not as obvious. By that afternoon, same day, it's pretty much gone. And then the next day and the day after, the glue is totally dry and the mulch is held in place. And you can see that the magnolia above is dropping its leaves. It's always dropping leaves in this area, but now the mulch is so sturdy that I can actually sweep the magnolia leaves off the top without moving the mulch, which is beyond impressive. Now, cleaning it up was really easy too. I just used warm soapy water. It rinsed out real easy. I will definitely be using more of PetraMax Lockdown Sticky Mulch Glue, as this is a really impressive product that I had no idea how much I'd love.